Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Raymore Reviews. And yes, this is the Jamaica Flour Mills. That's where we're passing right now. So it's another driving video. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe. Just press that red subscribe button. It's right there on your phone, laptop, or even TV. Join the family and let's get to 6,000 subscribers, guys. That's the next goal for the channel. Definitely like, leave a comment and share. And definitely, if you want to donate to the channel, I know some persons have been reaching out, some persons have been contributing financially. We have PayPal, another option as well. And even for persons who don't donate financially, I know you guys support by always commenting. I know I can depend on some persons to leave a comment, some persons to leave a like, leave a share, you know, and stuff like that. So I really appreciate it. So we are here taking a drive. Beautiful day. Alright, so we're here on the FLORIZEL GLASSPOLE highway. This leads to the Normal Manley International Airport. We're approaching the Rockfort mineral bath as well. Not sure if you guys have ever visited, but I also have a video on the channel. You can check out that video for the Rockfort mineral bath. It's a natural spring. The water has a lot of minerals as well. It's not overcrowded. And then after that, we'll be passing the Carib Cement. So we're heading all the way out to Arbor View side. Don't drive here regular, so just showing you guys a little bit of what's happening on this roadway. So this is the Rockfort mineral bath on the left. They're currently closed due to the whole coronavirus situation. So this is the Carib Cement on the left. One of the main supplier for cement for Jamaica and other Caribbean islands as well. So this is their plant, head office, sales office, factory, everything. They're on both sides because they also ship. So they're by the water as well so that they can load onto ships. Alright, so we're approaching Arbor View, the Arbor View roundabout, just past Wiccan Construction head office as well. And right here on the left, there's a big open lot, open piece of land. They're supposed to build a mega apartment complex. There is no work that has started yet. But yes, we're approaching Arbor View. They recently got a KFC as well, and that's a big deal. I think this is in the last probably 1 to 2 years that the KFC opened here on the left right here. Alright, so we'll just go around the roundabout. So this is the Arbor View roundabout. And they also wanna do a road expansion from St. Thomas coming into Arbor View, which is gonna be a part of the South Coast Road Infrastructure Development. So I know that work has started. You know, a few years ago this was like only 2 lanes, now it's 4 lanes. So they want to do the road just like this, going straight into St. Thomas. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Sir FLORIZEL Glasspole Highway to Arbor View. Thanks for watching. On the right here, not sure how many of you guys remember this, it was the Arbor View drive-through cinema. So they had a drive-through cinema over here on the right. I'm sure at least one of you guys may have been there before back in the days. I've never. I'm sure one of you guys might have. So again, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, like and comment, and see you on another video.